Hello and welcome back to our course. In this lesson, you will learn how to read and explain contract clauses in simple English. This will help you make legal information clearer for your clients. Let's start with some key vocabulary you will find in contracts. A penalty is a fee or consequence for breaking a contract. A deposit is the amount of money paid in advance to confirm a deal. Termination means ending the contract before it is completed. An extension allows more time to complete the agreement. Now let's look at more important legal terms. A warranty is a promise or guarantee that something is in good condition. Liability means legal responsibility if something goes wrong. A dispute is a disagreement between two parties. Arbitration is a process to resolve disputes outside of court. Here are some useful phrases you can use when explaining clauses to clients.
This clause allows the buyer to terminate the contract if financing is not approved. The deposit will be refunded if the seller fails to complete the sale. Any dispute will be resolved by arbitration.
Let's listen to an example conversation. Client says,
I don't understand this part about the deposit.
agent says,
This clause says the deposit will be refunded if the seller fails to complete the sale.
And what does termination mean here?
Termination means the contract can end before the sale is completed, usually under certain conditions.
I see. And what about disputes?
Any dispute will be resolved by arbitration, which means both parties agree to solve it outside of court.
when explaining legal language, try to use short and simple sentences. Avoid complicated words like hereby or thereof. Instead, use clear phrases such as this clause means or in this part of the contract to help clients understand. It's also helpful to summarize each clause. For example, you can say, this clause protects the buyer or this clause gives the seller more time. Summaries make complex documents easier for clients to follow. Now it's your turn. Practice explaining a few clauses in your own words. Start with the deposit clause, then move to termination and dispute clauses. Focus on sounding clear, calm, and professional. Great job! Being able to explain contract clauses in simple English will help your clients feel informed and confident. See you in the next lesson.